Hello everyone, you welcome to my Java course for beginners to experts. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn comments in Java. So what is Java comments? Java comments are the statements that are not executed by the compiler and interpreter. The comments can be used to provide information or explanation about the variable, method, class, or any statement. It can also be used to hide program code. There are three types of Java comments. Number one is single line comment. Number one is single line comment. These single line comments, multi-line comments, and documentation comments. Let's understand these three comments one by one. First is Java single line comments. The single line comment is used to comment only one line. The single line comments is used to comment only one line. And the syntax of this single line comment is slash slash. Two slash is the symbol of single line comments. Okay, let's see an example. You define a class. Comment example 1. Public static void main method, and here you are defining a variable int I equal to 10. But you want to give some information about this variable, so in future you are able to understand why I declare this variable, or if you are using this variable in your code, then to understand what is the use of this variable. If you want to define or provide some information about this variable, so you can use single line comments. Here I is a variable. Okay, so you are giving the explanation about the I. You can give any explanation for this variable. System.out.println I. Once you print this I value, the compiler will ignore this line. Compiler will not compile this line because we are using a single line comments. As compiler see comments, it ignore to execute rest of the line. So let's see, let's I show you on the Eclipse IDE how the single line comments works. Let's create a class. This is our project. Here we are going to right click, then new, then class. Here we define a single line comment. Check public static void main, then finish. Okay, so here I am defining int I equal to 10. Okay, and CISO value of I. Here I am giving a single line comments which shows. Okay, so here I am giving the single line comment. I am giving the information about this I variable. I have declared this I variable to initialize the for loop. Okay, so in future if I open my code and I want to check why this I variable I define, or some other person is uh, checking your code, then he is able to understand why you define the I. So to provide some valuable information about the variable I, we use a comments, but this comment is not executed by the compiler. Okay, so once you run the program, you will not get any error and you will get clear output. in here. Okay, so now let's go for multi-line comments. Java multi-line comments. The multi-line comment is used to comment multiple lines of code. Syntax is forward slash, then star sign, then star and forward slash. Okay, so this is a symbol of multi-line comments. So if you want to comment a multiple lines, then you can use multi-line comments. So here is an example. We create a class comment example2 public static void main method, and here we are declaring some comments. So this part of the Java program will not be executed by the compiler. Rest of the code will be executed by the compiler. Let's show you. Now let's see, create a class, new class, multi-line comment. I am declaring variable I. Okay, actually we have already sorry, why this error is coming? Okay, it is showing some syntax error. Public static void main. Okay, so I will use my I variable to initialize for loop. Okay, so here we are commenting multiple lines. Suppose if define int I equal to 10 and print value of I will get the output 10. Okay, and the multiple comments also, single line comments as well as the multi-line comments also use to comment the code. Suppose if I want to comment this code, then what I will do, I simply use a multi-line comments here. Okay, now this code will not be executed by the compiler. If you run the program, you will not get any output here. I hope you understand single line comments and multiple line comments. Now we go for the next comments. Java documentation comment. The documentation comment is used to create documentation API. Its syntax is forward slash, then 2 times star, and for closing star, then forward slash. This is a syntax for documentation comment. When you create a document for API, then we use this documentation comments. Here is an example. Suppose we create a class calculator. Here we give a documentation comment. The calculator class provides method to get addition and subtraction of given two numbers. Means we are providing some information about this class, what this class is going to do. Then we are providing some information about the method add. The add method returns addition of given two numbers. So what we are doing, we are providing some information about the method, and we are also providing the information about subtraction method. The sub method returns subtraction of given numbers. So once we define a documentation comment, and when we create a API for this class, this comment is printed over there. So this is a documentation comment. So I hope you understand the single line comments, multiple line comments, and documentation comments. Mostly time we use a single line comments and multi-line comments. Rarely we use a documentation comments because we need not to create a documentation. That's why we not use documentation comment. But single line comments and multi-line comments is widely used in Java programming. So I hope you understand the multi-line comments and single line comments. So thank you for watching this video, and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.